Close your eyes and imagine this. You are standing at the base of an ancient, mystical mountain. The air is crisp, carrying the scent of pine and wildflowers. The sky above glimmers with a golden hue as the last light of day fades into a blanket of stars. This is the Mountain of Transformation, a place where your thoughts become reality and your inner power awakens. Each step you take will reveal a secret to unlock the life you desire. With each breath, you grow stronger, more certain, more aligned with the person you are becoming. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel the weight of the day falling away. Now, let's begin the climb. You arrive at the first summit. Here, the world is golden. The light seems to pulse with warmth, surrounding you in comfort. A gentle voice echoes through the air. Gratitude is the seed from which all abundance grows. Now, think of something you are grateful for. Imagine it vividly. The smile of someone you love, the feel of the sun on your face, the sound of laughter, or the comfort of your home. Feel this gratitude in your heart, as though it's a glowing ember, spreading warmth throughout your entire body. Hold that feeling and repeat silently after me. I am grateful for the blessings in my life. Gratitude opens the door to even greater abundance. See yourself surrounded by everything you desire: peace, joy, love, success. The more you focus on what you already have, the more you see these gifts multiplying. Feel the excitement and contentment as though it's already yours. As the light grows brighter, you feel the energy of abundance flowing into you, expanding your heart and filling your soul. You step forward, ready to climb higher. At the second summit, you come across a glowing archway. Its surface shimmers like a mirror, reflecting your thoughts and emotions. As you step closer, the reflections shift. You see an image of a challenge you faced recently, a moment of fear, doubt, or frustration. But something magical happens. The image begins to change. What once felt like a setback now transforms into a stepping stone, a lesson, a hidden opportunity for growth. The voice returns, guiding you. What you focus on becomes your reality. Reframe your challenges, and they become the foundation of your strength. I have the power to turn obstacles into opportunities. I see every challenge as a step toward my greatest growth. Picture yourself conquering that challenge with ease. See yourself calm, composed, and confident. Feel the pride and strength radiating from you as you overcome it. Now, imagine your future self looking back on this moment and smiling, knowing it was the turning point that made you stronger. the archway glows brighter, and you step through, feeling lighter, more empowered and ready for the next revelation. You've reached the summit, the highest point of the mountain of transformation. Before you, a radiant orb of energy pulses with life, glowing in hues of gold, violet, and blue. This is the essence of your highest self, the version of you who already has everything you've ever dreamed of. You step closer, and the orb begins to transform. It reveals your greatest desires as if they are already true. See yourself living your dream life, the home you've always wanted, the career that fulfills you, the relationships that nourish your soul, the vibrant health and energy that radiates from within. I am aligned with my highest potential. I attract success, abundance, and joy effortlessly into my life. Feel the emotions of this reality as though it's already here. Imagine the joy of waking up in your dream home, surrounded by love and peace. Picture yourself confidently achieving your goals with ease. Hear the laughter, see the colors, and feel the textures of this life you've created. The orb begins to merge with you, filling your body with its energy. You are now one with your highest self. You carry this version of you wherever you go. As you make your way back down the mountain, you feel transformed. The gratitude you cultivated has opened your heart. The challenges you reframed have strengthened your mind. The vision of your highest self now guides your every step. You are no longer the person who began this climb. You are more empowered, more aligned, and more aware of the infinite possibilities within you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself grounding back into the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this energy with you, knowing that the summit lives within you now. Wherever you go, whatever you face, the mountain of transformation is yours to climb again and again. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If this meditation resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Together, let's create a world filled with gratitude, growth, and limitless potential. Until next time, stay mindful and inspired.